welcome back to my channel. Before we continue to this video, click like and subscribe button to support us, and you will get daily updates, okay? Purchaser reports positions Genesis its best image, Chevy Bolt top green auto. Heaps of intriguing astonishments on the current year's rundown. Hyundai's Genesis beaten the yearly positioning of new vehicle marks by powerful U.S. magazine Consumer Reports, while General Motors' electric Chevrolet Bolt was named top pick for conservative green auto. A huge number of planned auto purchasers counsel the magazine's rankings, which depend on street testing, unwavering quality, security and proprietor fulfillment scores.